We're installing on a truck today. Doing a little bit different than we normally do. Normally you just do the door. This time he wants a little bit bigger logo, so he's kind of going on both doors. Difference is you're going to have it split here. You can see when you get down here, you got this nice ridge you kind of got to go into. Other than that, it's just a bigger way to make your logo bigger on a door without, you know, sacrificing too much. Plus, with some of the new Rams, they use their big logo to kind of take half of that door away from you. So, yeah, otherwise it should go pretty smooth today.
Working on some race car numbers for a couple clients. Got quite a few, so just trying to get them all done and out. Looks like we're getting the start of race car season.
I'm working on a full wrap for Round the Bend Steakhouse. They're kind of wanting to change it up a little bit and just make it stand out a little bit. They also they want to add like beef done right on it on the sides, so I just need to change that out.
We're out here today at Eagle Nursery, here to do an install on a skid steer and 2 pickup trucks. Eagle Nursery is one of those places I really like to come. Just such a cool place out here to kind of see all the trees and everything that they have going on. Today it's snowy, like you know, in Nebraska we get a lot of snow. But otherwise, yeah, I mean, you should definitely check these trucks out. Tom's really good about making his stuff look nice and really presentable when customers come in. So yeah, come on and take a look. Just got done cleaning all the vehicles. We're going to start on the skid steer here. We're going to put some graphics on the side. The nice thing that Tom likes to do at Eagle Nursery is he likes to make it his own. Makes it want to look unique. The nice thing about that is when you go on a job site, you know that's your vehicle or that's your thing you brought to the site. That way, I mean, there's no confusion and stuff like that. But also, I mean, it might catch a customer's eye or something like that, which really helps your business, helps it, you know, get noticed a lot easier and a lot faster. Like, hey, that's Eagle Nursery skid steer.